everyone. Good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. In the last session, Sudevi ma'am already started the revision of chapters 6, 15 and 2. Okay. In this session, we are going to discuss sample question paper questions of chapter 3, 4 and 10. Pair of linear equations, quadratic equations and circles. Okay, for that I want to say some important points about your question paper pattern. Two types of question paper will be given by CBSE for board exam. One is basic mathematics and second one is standard mathematics. So, we listen students. You all are attending the standard level mathematics this year. So, the given revised portions and deleted portions, you want to concentrate only on standard mathematics question paper. Okay, that revised portions and deleted portions you should concentrate. Then, you already know about the pattern of the question paper. There are two sections. Section Part A and Part B. Part A has two sections that are 1 mark question, but that is not multiple choice. Then Section 2 has case study based questions. The options are also be there. Okay, then Part B has 3 sections that are Section 3, 4 and 5. That Section 3 are of 2 marks questions. Then Section 4 has 3 marks each and Section 5 has 5 marks each. About these all we can discuss in the live stream section. Okay. So here we are going to discuss sample question papers questions from the chapter 3 pair of linear equations, chapter 4 quadratic equations and chapter 10 circles. Then students, now I have to explain the important points of the chapter 10 circles. Then chapter 3 pair of linear equations. Then chapter 4 quadratic equations. There is no topic deleted from the chapter 10 circles. There are important theorem and proofs are there. That all you want to study properly. Then what is a secant, what is a tangent, that all we discussed there. That also you want to study properly. Okay. Then what is mean by circle, what is a chord, what is a radius, what is the diameter, then what is the arc and all we discussed in the lesson. That notes you want to read carefully. Okay, that theorem proof, 2 theorem proofs are there that you should study properly. Then next chapter, chapter 3, that is pair of linear equations. That cross multiplication method for finding the solution is deleted from this year's board exam. Okay, so no need to concentrate on this cross multiplication method. The general form of pair of linear equations in 2 variables. A1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equal 0. A2 x plus b2 y plus c2 equal 0. Then there is the graphical method of pair of linear equations. Then there is a rule to find or to predict what is the type of solution or what is the type of graphical representation of the given pair of linear equations. For that, we have to find the ratio of the coefficients. The ratio of the coefficients of the variables, we can predict the type of solution and type of graphical representation. Okay, so first rule is if a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2, Then the graphical representation is intersecting lines. And the type of solution is unique solution. Okay, then the second rule is if A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 not equal C1 by C2, then no solutions and its graphical representation will be parallel lines. Okay, then the third condition is A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2. Then the type of graphical representation is coincident lines and the type of solution is infinitely many. Okay, so in this way we can predict the type of solution and type of graphical representation of the given pair of linear equations in two variables. There are different algebraic methods for finding the solution of pair of linear equations in two variables like elimination method, substitution method and reducible to quadratic equation method. Okay, that cross multiplication method is not there for this year's board exam. So that's all from chapter 3 pair of linear equations. Okay, then chapter 4 quadratic equations. What is the general form of a quadratic equation? Split the middle term method, completing the square method and quadratic formula. That all you have to practice well. Okay, now we are going to discuss the questions from the sample question paper. Question number 8, 9 and 26 are from the chapter circles. Then question number 3, 4, 6, 7, 28 and 36 are the questions from the chapters 3 and 4. So we have to discuss that questions now. Question number 8. If PQ equal 28 centimeter, then find the perimeter of triangle PLM given in the figure. It's only 1 mark question. So we have to simplify the steps. Okay. So this is the figure given and PQ is equal 28 centimeter. That is also given. So PQ is 28. So PT is also 28. What is the reason? Tangent from a common point to a circle are equal. But here no need to write that reason and all. Here PQ equal PT. Right? That is equal 28 centimeter. Okay. Then we have to find area of this triangle PLM. That is the question. No? For that we have to find PL, LM and PM. Right? PL, LM and PN we have to find. Then PQ equal what? PL plus LQ. LQ and LN are same. Right? PQ equal PL plus LQ. Here LQ and LN are same. So we can write LQ as LN. Okay. Similarly, PT equal what? PM plus MT. Then here this MT is same as MN. Tangents from a common point are equal now. So MT and MN are equal. So we can rewrite this MT as MN. Now when we add PL plus LN plus PM plus MN, PL plus LN plus PM plus MN, then what we will get? PL plus LN, PM plus MN together what? Sum of these three sides of the triangle. That is the perimeter of the triangle PLM. So that is equal PQ plus PT. Right? PQ means PL plus LN. So here PL plus LN we can substitute as PQ. PM plus MN we can write as PT. Value of PQ is 28. Value of PT is also 28. So 28 plus 28 is what? 56. So 56 centimeter is PL plus LN plus PM plus MN. That means sum of the three sides of this triangle PL plus LM plus PM equal what? 56. PL plus LN plus NM together LM. Okay, so LN plus MN together we got LM. So PL plus LM plus PM equal 56. Means perimeter of triangle PLM equal 56 centimeter. So here no need to write these all steps. Here we have to get this step. Okay, these two steps together half mark we will get. Then last answer will get half mark. Okay, but all others you should identify. Then question number 9. Ninth question has an or question 2. So first question is, if two tangents are inclined at 60 degree are drawn to a circle of radius 3 centimeter, then find the length of the tangent. It is a 1 mark question. 1 mark question, so no mark for the figure and all, but we have to draw this figure as rough. Okay, for getting the values. So these are the given measures. 60 degree is the angle of inclination of the two tangents. Radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, but here we have to find this tangent. So we can draw the line from center to the outside point. Okay, now this is the length of the tangent. This is the radius. Then this is the distance between the center of the circle and outside point. Okay, then here we have the theorem, that is this angle of inclination will be divided equally by this line joining center and the outside point. So this angle will be 30 degree. This is also 30 degree. Now we have to consider this triangle. Here we have to find the length of the tangent. We can write it as T. Opposite side is given as 3 centimeter. Now we know that tangent to the radius is right angle. So this is a right triangle. So here we have to consider this triangle, right triangle. The opposite side is given as 3 centimeter and adjacent side we have to find. This is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse no need to find. So here what is the relation between opposite by adjacent? Opposite by adjacent is tan 30. Okay, opposite by adjacent is tan 30. So what is the value of tan 30? That is 1 by root 3. So opposite side is 3. Adjacent side we have to find, that is t, length of the tangent. Then we can transpose this t to here. So 1 into t become t. 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3. So what will be the length of the tangent here? 3 root 3 centimeter. So here there is the mark for this as half and this as half. No mark for this figure and all, but without figure we can't write this. So for this step half, for this step half. Together it is only 1 mark question. So no need to draw this figure using compass and all. You can just draw with a pen and find it in the working column. It's enough. Now the or question of question number 9. Question is, PQ is a tangent to a circle with center O at a point P. If triangle OPQ is an isosceles triangle, then find angle OQP. So a 1 mark question. So no marks for the figure and all. But we have to draw the figure for getting the idea about the question. So in this question it is given that O is the center of the circle. PQ is the tangent at the point P. Okay. Then we got the figure like this. Then in the question it is already given that OPQ is an isosceles triangle. Then we have to find angle OQP. Okay. So from this figure itself we know that PQ is the tangent, OP is the radius. Radius to the tangent is right angle, that is the theorem. So this angle is right angle. Then it is given that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So base angle should be equal. Two sides are equal, then it is known as isosceles triangle. So in an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. This is 90 degree that we already know. So these two angles should be equal. Right? Then we can use the angle sum property of a triangle. That is 90 plus. Here for the calculation, easy calculation, we can give the variable x. So here also it is x. So 90 plus x equal 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. No need to write the reason and all because it is only 1 mark question. So 90 plus 2x equal 180. So 2x equal 180 minus 90. X equal 90 by 2. 180 minus 90, 90. Then this 2 become divided by 2. That is equal 45 degree. That means these two angles are equal to 45 degree. But here they asked to find only angle OQP. So at this angle OQP, that is equal 45 degree. But here it is only 1 mark question. So we can see what is the mark distribution. Angle sum property, half mark will be there. Then the last answer, that means angle OQP equal 45 degree. For that we will get half mark. So together it is only 1 mark question. So you can reduce the steps. Now question number 26. In the figure, quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribing a circle with center O and AD perpendicular to AB. If radius of in circle is 10 cm, then the value of x is. Figure is given in this question. The measures are given. It is a 2 mark question. Figure given. This is given as 10 cm radius. This is right angle. When we join this, then we know that radius to the tangent is right angle. So this is 90 degree. In a quadrilateral, when adjacent angles are 90 degree, then it should be a right angle. Otherwise, these two are 90 degree. This is also radius to the tangent, that is 90 degree. So the remaining angle is also 90 degree. That means these four angles are 90 degree. Otherwise, we can write angle A equal angle OPA equal angle OSA equal 90 degree. These three have the reason. This we will get by using the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. But angle SOP is also 90 degree. Because these two sides are equal. AP and AS are equal. Why? They are the tangents from a common point A to the circle. Okay. Then this is the radius 10 cm. This is also radius 10 cm. Okay. Then know that BP and BQ are equal because that are the tangents from the common point B. So these two are equal. Okay, these two are equal. That we can give as Y. So this is also Y. If this AS is said, then this AP is also said. For the calculation, for easy calculation, we can use the variables, right? Then here, how we will get this QB? For getting QB, we have to take this. This CR and this CQ are equal with the same reason because that are the tangents from the common point C. So, CR and CQ are equal to 27. So, from the C to Q, it will be 27 centimeter, right? Then how we will get this Y? Y means QB, right? Y is QB. So, from C to B is given as 38. C to Q we got as 27. Then how we will get this Y? This Y is equal 38 minus 27, that is 11 centimeter. Then this PB is also 11 centimeter. So this Y is also 11 centimeter. Then this we have to find. For that, consider this quadrilateral APOS. Here all the angles are equal. Then this adjacent sides are equal. So the adjacent sides are equal and all angles are equal means it is a square. That means this APOS is a square, right? So it's all the sides are equal. These two sides are given as 10. So Z is also 10 centimeter. So this is also 10. Then how we will get this AB? AB is Z plus Y. That means 10 plus 11 equal 21. AB equal x equal y plus z, that is equal 11 plus 10 equal 21 centimeter. So this is the value of x. It is only 2 mark question, so you can reduce the steps. See the mark distribution. Here when we identify these angles as 90 degree, then we got half mark. Then OSAP is a square. When you identify that, then we'll get half mark. Then when you get that y as 11, then you will get half mark. When you get the last answer by adding this y plus z and get 21, then you will get half mark. That means this together you will get 2 marks for this question.